Welcome to Fluent English with Shah to Education Report. Today we talk about building a successful career and how students can prepare for a better future through education, discipline and skill development. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Many students dream about successful careers and better lives. People want meaningful work, financial stability, and personal growth. However, experts say success usually requires long-term effort and preparation. A successful career is built through education, discipline, communication skills, and continuous learning. Today, we discuss how students can prepare for successful futures. Part 2. Setting goals and choosing direction. Experts encourage students to think carefully about future goals. Some students know exactly what they want to become. Others may feel confused or uncertain. Career planning takes time and self-discovery. Students should explore different interests, skills, and opportunities. Clear goals often help people stay focused and motivated. Part 3. Education and skill development. Education is an important foundation for career growth. However, experts say modern careers also require practical skills. Communication, technology, teamwork, and problem solving are valuable abilities. Students should continue learning both inside and outside classrooms. Reading, online courses, and practice improve career opportunities. Learning English is also important in many international careers. Part 4. Discipline and hard work. Experts say discipline is one of the most important factors for success. Successful people usually follow routine and manage time carefully. Some students expect quick success without consistent effort. However, long-term success requires patience and persistence. Daily improvement creates stronger results over time. Hard work and discipline often create more opportunities in life. Part 5. Technology and modern careers. Technology is changing jobs and industries around the world. Many careers now require digital skills and online communication. Experts encourage students to improve technology knowledge and adaptability. Artificial intelligence and online learning are creating new opportunities. Students who continue learning modern skills may prepare for effectively for future careers. Part 6. Mistakes young people should avoid. Experts say some habits can damage future success. These include wasting time, avoiding responsibility, fear of failure, negative thinking, unhealthy distractions. Students should focus on growth instead of comparing themselves with others. Mistakes are part of learning and development. Successful people continue improving after failures. Building a successful career takes time, learning, and consistency. Experts encourage students to continue education, build skills, communicate confidently, stay disciplined, remain patient. Every small effort helps create stronger opportunities for the future. Success grows step by step through positive habits and determination. Final message. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Education Report videos and easy English lessons. See you in the next time. Thank you very much.